Today we'll talk about how can you get premium on your Spotify app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first to get premium on your Spotify app, you just go here above your photo profile, click on it. Then it's going to show for you a list like this. Click here on settings and privacy here. It's going to take you to this list you will find here called premium. Just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list, and here can you find here if you want to select try 2 months here, or and here can you find here 2 3 months gold. So and here can you just click here on get start here. So then it's going to take you to this list, and here can you continue with Spotify here to add your card information here. So to get premium on your Spotify app. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.